So I have a really easy recipe for you today, and if you're following Whole30, this is the recipe for you, as you can go ahead and make a lot of this Whole30 compliant with some of the ingredients that I'm going to show you. So this tonight is a loaded burger bowl, and most of this is prep, so I've already done a lot of that, but what I thought I would do in the how-to video is the special sauce dressing. So if you're a fan of a McDonald's Big Mac, this recipe is basically a deconstructed Big Mac burger from McDonald's. So what I'm going to do first is let you know exactly what we're putting in the special sauce. So first we have a half a cup of mayonnaise. Let me just go ahead and stick it in this bowl. We have 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and you can go ahead and use no sugar added ketchup. That's what I'm using today. I have about a tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce, I have a tablespoon of dill pickle relish. And spices I'm using, I have a pinch of crushed red pepper, about a tablespoon of minced onion, dried minced onion, and a little bit of light brown sugar. And the reason why I'm using sugar is the original recipe that I found actually called for maple syrup. The first time I made this dressing, I felt as if it was a little too sweet, so I thought if I just add a little bit of brown sugar, hopefully it'll be what I'm looking for versus the super sweet sauce that I had made once before. So you're just gonna go ahead and stir this all together. It's gonna have a tinge of the orange that you're thinking of when you think of Big Macs, and that sauce that's on there, but it's also gonna have the dill from the relish and a little bit of the heat from the crushed red pepper and the sweetness from the light brown sugar. Once that's all combined, you can either just leave it in the bowl, or if you want to get fancy like me, I have this 97-cent plastic squeegee bottle that I bought at Walmart, and I use it for all of my dressings and things because you can definitely get fancy with your presentation. So I'm gonna carefully put this in the squeegee bottle. If you were doing Whole30, I would recommend instead of soy sauce to use coconut aminos. That's still going to give you that salty component that you're thinking when you think soy sauce, but it is, I believe, Whole30 compliant. I don't do Whole30, so correct me if I'm wrong, but I did read that on the original recipe that I had been following for this particular sauce. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick this in the fridge. So you can definitely make this ahead of time. If this is a weeknight meal, you can go ahead and do this the day before. It's probably better the longer it sits. And so let's get started and put together our burger bowl. What you choose to put on your burger bowl is completely up to you, but this is what I'm going to do. So I have some chopped romaine lettuce, some ground beef that I've browned and drained, a little bit of bacon, caramelized onions, and portobello mushrooms, blue cheese, cherry tomatoes, some dill pickles, and of course the special sauce that I just made, and a little bit of salt and pepper. All of our toppings on our salads, we're gonna go ahead and add the special sauce. I couldn't use this squeegee bottle with the lid because of the chunks of the dill relish, so I had to take off the lid. All right, so let's stir this around and give it a taste. Tastes like a Big Mac. You can definitely add other cheeses if you want. I know Big Macs come with cheddar cheese or American cheese. Probably don't come with mushrooms, but I definitely like the addition. And yeah, try this. Add whatever you want to it. It's so easy. Definitely another reason to eat healthier in 2020. So thanks guys, and we'll see you soon.